Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today for another card in my 5-minute quick card series. Today I'm going to be using the Simply Fabulous Photopolymer stamp set, and let's get going. So first up, you're going to need a piece of basic white cardstock. This is 14.8 centimetres by 10.5 centimetres. I've got my Memento ink pad, and I'm going to start off with the Just Saying Hello stamp, which I think is gorgeous from this set. Okay, so I'm just going to ink that up and I'm going to stamp it in the middle. You could use your Stamparatus if you're worried about getting this perfect the first time round. It's really up to you. But I'm just going to stamp it, and there we go. I'm then going to be using some post-it notes. You could use masking paper if you wished. It's really up to you. To just block off the bit that says Just Saying Hello. So I'm going to take it to about there and chop. Okay, so that it's just going to go over the top of my sentiment. A bit further over actually, I haven't really got that very straight. Once that's masked over, I am going to be doing some stamping. So I'm going to be using, let me get my colours, Pear Pizzazz, and I'm going to be putting the big leaf detail with that, Shaded Spruce, and I'm going to be putting that one, so that one with Shaded Spruce, that one with Pear Pizzazz. I'm going to be doing the two flowers in a mixture of Flirty Flamingo and Calypso Coral. And finally, I'm going to use these flowers here, these leaves, sorry, and I'm going to do those in Soft Succulent. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that to the side, because what you want to do is you want to start off with the bigger of the stamps so that you actually get the most amount of coverage of the bigger ones. I find that you can always sneak the little ones in, but you can't sneak the bigger ones in. So start off with the bigger ones. Make sure you get sufficient amount of those on the actual card. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to be going on to the Shaded Spruce now, because that's the next biggest, and I'm going to be popping that on the card. Now it's fine to overlap this on the post-it note, that is great, but you don't want to overlap it on the actual card. Okay, Calypso Coral. I love this colour. I think it's quite a Marmite colour. Some demonstrators seem to love it and some seem to hate it as I've gone around. I can't really understand people disliking it, but they seem to, so very strange. Flirty Flamingo, always a favourite. I think everyone loves a good old Flirty Flamingo. So just pop that one down. And then finally, with the Soft Succulent, we're going to be using the cute little leaves, and I'm just going to pop those sort of around the edging here. Okay, and then I'm going to be using the brush, and I'm just going to grab some Soft Succulent out, and I'm just going to bring that around where the masked bit is. So I'm not doing much, I'm just going around the masked square with the blending brush and taking the colour around there. Now you might not notice the difference of this until you pull off the post-it note, and then you'll notice it, and it will look beautiful, trust me. Okay, just going to do a bit more up in that corner and a bit more down there, and there we go. Pulling that off. See what I mean? You'll notice it. I'm just going to grab a card base now, which I had in my hand before we started. Here we go. Would help on these 5-minute cards if I had everything handy so I could just find it straight away. And just pop some adhesive onto the back of there. Stick it onto my card base. And I think I've just gone over my 5 minutes, but I need to put some bling on. That just got to happen. Just got to happen, that. So some rhinestones and my take a pick tool, and I'm just going to grab some of these off and pop them around the card as such. And there is my 5-minute Simply Fabulous card. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Leave me a little message, say hi. If you've enjoyed it, do give me a thumbs up, and everything I've used today is available from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thanks everybody, I'll see you again soon. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.